The NewtiPower 38.4V 135Ah golf cart battery delivers notably high capacity for long run time in carts and off-grid setups. Its lithium iron phosphate chemistry and automotive-grade cells offer stable power delivery, strong deep cycle performance, and a very long service life. A robust 200-ampere battery management system protects against overcharging, over-discharging, overcurrent, and short circuits, while supporting demanding loads. Despite the large capacity, the battery uses high-energy density cells to keep the case relatively compact, making installation easier in tight golf cart compartments. The package includes a matched charger, monitoring display, mounting straps, and cables, so the system is essentially ready to install and use out of the box. Backed by a manufacturer with long experience in lithium batteries and a multi-year service commitment, this pack inspires confidence for serious golf cart and off-grid users.